Look, this isn't some deep Amazon research pick. I just bought a new monitor and needed something to test it with. So I searched speakers sorted by price and grabbed the cheapest pair I could find. Didn't expect much at the beginning, but the moment I fired up a game, I literally stopped and said, wait, these actually sound good. This is the Redragon GS520 anvil. That's a mouthful. And this might be one of the most surprising things I've reviewed so far. Out of the box, you get both speakers hardwired together with a USB for power and a 3.5mm jack for audio. And that's it. No Bluetooth, no adapters, no sub. But here's the thing, they look great. The angle design, super clean. The matte black finish feels like it belongs in a gaming setup or even a minimal disc layout. The RGB lighting strips along the front, surprisingly tasteful, not too gamer cringe. Let's talk controls. You've got 3 physical buttons, volume up, volume down, and power. They're not the most responsive, honestly. They feel a little mushy, but Redragon made that up with a clever RGB integration. The volume level is actually represented by how much of the stripe is lit up. So yeah, your RGB becomes your volume meter. And that's low-key genius. The touch buttons above control the lighting effects, whether it's RGB, solid, or this thing. There is no software needed. It's all plug and play. And that's kind of simplicity that I appreciate. So here's the real surprise, the sound. These things are crisp. The highs and mids come through super clean. Perfect for games, dialogue, YouTube, podcast. The bass is almost non-existent, let's be honest. There is no subwoofer here. And you can feel that lack of depth in music. But it's not muddy or flat, just lean. I played FPS games, watched Netflix, and kept thinking, these cost 60 dirhams. At 70 to 80% volume, it's the sweet spot. There's no distortion at all. You push it past that and sure it starts to crack, but at reasonable levels, very clean. These fit cleanly into any desk setup, whether you're building a gaming rig or just want a bit of flair for your work from home space. They look the part. The angled speaker design points the sound towards your ears, and the RGB lighting feels like a bonus, not a gimmick. Tap the touch button to swap modes. Easy, no app, no driver, just cool vibes. Alright, let's break it down. So what do I love about the speakers? The price to performance ratio, amazing. Crisp highs and mids for everyday use. RGB volume indicator, very clever design. Simple setup, no learning curve. What do I not like about these speakers? Buttons feels cheap. Bass is non-existent. Only one input. But honestly, for 60 dirhams, these are doing a lot more right than wrong. Again, if you're building a budget setup or just need some solid desk speakers, these are for you. If you're an audiophile or someone mixing music, editing videos, I'd say skip them. But for most casual users, gamers, students, or even as a backup set, the GS520s are a solid smart choice. Like every review on this channel, I bought these with my own money. No sponsorships, no script from a brand. I just share what I discover. And today I discovered something unexpectedly awesome. So if you're into real tech reviews with no fluff, hit the subscribe button. And if you tried these or have another budget speaker I should test, drop it in the comments below. I'm building this channel with you. I'm Ali, this is Ali Creates, and I'll catch you in the next deep dive. Peace.